everybody, I'm Ashwati Dinal, and today we're going to look at some phrasal verbs with the word get. I'm sure you all know that when prepositions are added to verbs, it becomes phrasal verbs. So today we're going to look at phrasal verbs with the word get. Let's start with get along. Get along means having a friendly relationship. For example, my neighbor and I get along very well means we have a very good relationship. The second phrasal verb is get over. Now, get over means to recover from an ailment or something that is very traumatizing. I took years to get over my father's demise, means it took me a very long time to get over that pain. The third phrasal verb is get off. Get off means to leave a place or start a journey. For example, we need to get off to our next destination right after breakfast. The next phrasal verb that I'm going to talk about is get rid of. I'm sure we've heard this a lot more often than we've heard the others. Well, get rid of means to take action or to do something to free yourself from someone or something that is troublesome. I'm sure you've used this word many times. You've used the phrasal verb many times. Now, an example would be, we have been trying to get rid of this chair ever since we moved out to the new house. Okay, that means you want to just throw it away because it's troublesome in some manner. Now, the next phrasal verb I'm going to talk about is get down. Get down means to put some serious thought into doing something. I need to get down into booking a hotel after my journey has been finalized. Or another example would be, I need to get down to studying more because my semester exams are right around the corner. The last phrasal verb that we're going to talk about is get into. Get into means to get interested or involved in something. I need to get into yoga to improve my level of fitness. Or she has been getting into dance a lot lately. So these are the phrasal verbs with the word get. So start using it and add a little more color to your vocabulary. To know more about the courses that we offer at English House, please click on the link below.
English House. English at your fingertips.